Hello and welcome to another update video about Ripple XRP. In my view, XRP is about to break out. We are seeing here that XRP has a strong resistance here currently at 106, 107. It is where this downtrend started here on the 20th of September. You can see that we're exactly at that level now. You can see really like an arrow, we are forming a triangle here and it's coiling up for something. And I'm going to take a look at that, if that's bullish or bearish, and what I think. But where are we coming from? You know, we came from that flash crash, had another move down similar to other cryptos, broke out of that descending wedge to the upside, which sort of was expected because it is a bullish pattern. Now we broke out, made a series of lows here, similar structure to what we saw with Bitcoin, you know, these 90% retracements down here and 100% retracements even. I don't like that structure. It doesn't really give me a lot of confidence that we've seen a low yet, but still I think at the moment we are at least in a short-term uptrend here, and I think we are possibly looking at a breakout here to the upside, because you can clearly see that triangle forming here. It's a trend continuation pattern, and in my view it's a bullish formation. Because on the daily, let me just go to the daily. On the daily, we are above the 20 and above the 200-day moving average. Yes, we are below the 50, but we are above the 20 and above the 200. So we are sort of above the long-term trend indicator. We are above a short-term indicator, just the medium-term one is sort of lagging a little bit behind, which is also what probably pushes us down a little bit. But I would say the stronger support is down here, also because the 20 and the 200 are together here. And if we take a look on the 4-hour chart, we can see that these moving averages here, the 50 and the 200 period, are actually below as support as well. And we made a bullish cross here. And again here, the 20 period moving average on the 40-hour chart, or on the 4-hour chart, is providing some resistance here, but it's coiling up for something big. I think it won't take long, and it really is imminent that we're going to see a push here, possibly to the upside. That would be my guess, basically because we've seen that move to the upside here. We come from below, you know, and we are above the 200 and we are above the 20-day moving average. And a symmetrical triangle is typically trend continuation. And I would say, you know, in the short term here, we are in an uptrend. And therefore, if we take the height of that triangle, just sort of from where it started, and let's just look at where we could break out. We add it to the apex because that's pretty much where we are now as well. If we move to the upside, that could take us to something around 113, 114. And to the downside, that could actually take us down to, there you go, pretty much $1. What I think, you know, in terms of entering a trade, possibly, if I did it now, you know, I would probably set a stop loss just below the 1 or 2, below the $1 and 2 low here, because I think even though this target would take us down to below $1, I think we would certainly face some support here at $1 and 2. Right, $1 and 2. I think that is a level here, that very major recent low here. You know, I think we could get down there once more if we break to the downside and possibly find some support there. However, if we drop below that, I think that could take us down further, is why I would set a stop loss below that level. But my view at the moment would be that we are going higher here. Pretty much following Bitcoin, because Bitcoin at the moment, you know, if you compare it to where Bitcoin is somewhere up here actually. Bitcoin already made that move up from here. So it's a bit lagging behind, and yeah, it's coiling up. You can see that coiling up very nicely, and I'm quite excited about what's going to happen here next. So I'm going to watch this and let's see what happens. All right, so just want to update you that this is a clear breakout formation and that something big is happening very, very soon. So we can expect some kind of a breakout. All right, so hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.